imagine transforming into a robot with Wonder Dynamics. That's just the beginning. Hello, future tech wizards. I'm Eamon, and today we are diving into the world of Wonder Dynamics. If you're a beginner, you are in the right place. Before we start, let's see what Wonder Dynamics can do. Check out these incredible transformations. I'm going to show you a raw video which I will help you to make a robotic one.
Hi, welcome to our channel AI Masterminds. Subscribe to get the latest AI updates.
A bad quality video, right? I can understand. But AI has made it easy for us to make it a good quality video. I'll take you what Wonder Dynamic is, how it can help us, and how can you as a beginner use it. Those who are not aware what's a VFX studio, it's basically the transformations or the cartoonistic images that we see in Hollywood movies. In 2024, AI has made it easy for us to make those videos. Let me take you to the pricing. Of course, it's providing us very good quality features. It won't be free, but it's going to cost a very small amount of price. These are the pricing plans that you can see. A light, pro one, and an enterprise one. Considering that we are a beginner and we only need to try 2 or 3 videos, this $16 one will be perfect for us, which will give us 3000 credits for a month. This is too much for a beginner, I guess. A high quality resolution, 108 pixels, which is very good quality pixel, 5 GB storage space. I like it. 500 MB max video upload size, six custom character uploads, which means that we can upload 6 kind of different robots. 2-person motion capture in your video, it can only capture 2-person, but I guess considering that you are a beginner, it's too much. Let me take you what Wonder Dynamics forefront looks like. This is the forefront of what Wonder Dynamic looks like. These are all the videos that I made with Wonder Dynamics, and I can help you to make videos like this. We are going to go on home. These are all the features that Wonder Dynamic have, but considering that you are a beginner, we can move with small steps. Create new project. It will give us 3 options: live action advanced, AI motion capture, and live action easy. The most important one, considering that we are beginners and we don't know a lot of about editing or any kind of skills. So we are going to do this live action easy. We are going to continue. And this is the forefront editing window that will open in front of us. This is the section where we will upload our videos. These are all the robots that we can try. Let's click here to browse files. This is the area where we will put our video. I have uploaded this video. Now what we are going to do, we are going to drag and drop it in the editing box like this. Yeah, easy peasy, right? Now let's move on to this next button. Now it's going to give us a notification to choose character, which says click in the scene for each clip to choose the actor you would like to replace. We have this option that we can run the video, pause it,
Hi, welcome to our channel.
if I want the actor to change from this time, I'm going to pause the video, I'm going to search scan for actors, then it's going to change the video from here. But since I want it from the beginning, I'm going to scan frame for actors from the beginning. We're going to click on it. It will take some time to scan the. Now it has scanned. As we can see, it has selected the person. Now what we are going to do, we are going to click on this scan. Now it's going to highlight this blue button over here which says to select a character. We need to expand the sidebar to browse and select the characters, or click on a character on the right directly. We're going to click on this. Now we have a lot of options: dummy robot, Bob, beastie bot, the professor, Sandy, toaster bot, brain bot. I have tried every kind of them, and you can try it too. But now I like this one. I want to do this one, ASC. Now let's do it. This is the video. This is the robot that it will be transformed into. This is a new tech corporation which has been working on a technology that would create an interface between the human brain and machine. We're going to assign it so that it can assign that robot the character. You can see it here that it has assigned this character, the robot that we have chosen over here, active 1 ASC. What we're going to do, we're going to select on next. Now these are a lot of options that we can get, but of course you would have to try them out yourself because every option has diversified options for us. Now I'm going to, if you want, you can move your videos to here, here, or anywhere you want. I'm going to say start processing because I don't want much hassle. So I'll let AI do the work. Start processing. Now it's going to take a little bit of time, of course. Now it's going to take a lot of time. Now I'll get back to you once the video is done. Now this is the video that I have got as an output. I want you to see it once.
Hi, welcome to our channel AI Masterminds. Subscribe to get the latest AI updates.
I know it's not of good quality, but it depends on how you are recording it basically. It was just a test try, so I didn't spend much time recording a good quality video, but you can try a lot of stuff around by doing it yourself. I want to give you three warnings before trying Wonder Dynamics. One thing, that your hands should not be colliding with each other because it's not going to create a good quality video. Their background behind you should be in white color or should be plain so that AI can basically detect your background and does not create a bad quality effect. The third thing that I want, that you should not have anything in front of you so that it detects you properly. Every Remember, every expert was once a beginner with Wonder Dynamics. You're not just learning a tool, you're unlocking a new realm of creativity. Now, I'm going to share an incredible journey of how I used Wonder Dynamics and LinkedIn to not only generate money but also to skyrocket my career in digital marketing. Everything started when I discovered Wonder Dynamics, their stunning video technology which can transform humans into robots, which was not just fascinating but also a game changer into digital world. I used this technology to create eye-catching content on LinkedIn. The response was overwhelming. My network grew rapidly and I was able to connect with industry leaders and potential clients. Capitalizing on this momentum, I started creating videos for companies. I reached out to them directly on LinkedIn, and guess what? They loved it. One of them even offered me a trial project. For my trial, I made 7 videos. These weren't just ordinary videos, they were crafted to showcase the company's strengths and attract clients. The results? Phenomenal. The company saw a significant increase in clients and a reduction in cost. The success of these videos didn't just benefit the company, it propelled my career forward. I was appointed as the head of their social media marketing team, as a role I relish and excel in. And now I want to share this success formula with you as well. If you're curious about how to attract high paying clients and make a name for yourself in the digital world, let me guide you. Drop a comment below if you're interested in learning more. Remember, with the right tools and strategies, you can achieve extraordinary success. See you next time in the next video.